Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use current division. This fundamental concept helps determine how current splits among parallel branches. It's particularly useful when you know the total current entering a parallel combination of resistors and need to find the current flowing through each individual branch. We will cover the basic formula and its practical application, making complex calculations much simpler for you. Let's dive into the core of current division, the formula itself. For two parallel resistors, say R1 and R2, the current through R1 is the total current multiplied by R2, divided by the sum of R1 and R2. This inverse relationship means more current flows through the path of least resistance. Understanding this formula is key to accurately predicting current distribution in parallel circuits, saving you time and effort. Now, let's walk through the practical steps of applying current division. First, clearly identify your parallel branches and the total current entering them. Next, use the current divider formula for each specific branch you are interested in. Remember, the formula simplifies significantly for just two parallel resistors. Always double-check your work by ensuring the sum of the individual branch currents equals your initial total current. This systematic approach ensures accuracy. To wrap up, here are some crucial tips and common pitfalls to avoid. A frequent mistake is confusing current division with voltage division. Remember, current divides in parallel, while voltage divides in series. Always confirm that your resistors are indeed in a parallel configuration before applying the formula. For two resistors, ensure you use the resistance of the opposite branch in the numerator. Consistent practice will solidify your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.